We have to find the average or mean value of AC. The average of any symmetric AC wave over a complete cycle is 0. So the average of AC means average over a half cycle. So for current, the average current would be like that is IAV. 1 by T by 2. Here T is the time period for a full cycle with the limit 0 to T by 2. T by 2 for half cycle there. Okay. And I is the function of time into dt. That would give us the average current. So it will be 2 by T into 0 to T by 2 limit, and the value of I is given by I0 sin omega t because it's a sinusoidal wave. Now that's equal to 2 by t. There I0 is a constant, so it comes out of the integration, and the remaining there 0 to t by 2 limit sin omega t dt. Okay, and that is equal to 2 I naught by t, and the integration of sin omega t is given by cos omega t with a negative sign there by omega with the limit 0 to t by 2. Okay, now there that's equal to 2. There this minus sign comes out by this omega comes out, so it will be omega t, and the remaining part cos omega t with the limit 0 to t by 2. Now that's equal to minus 2 I naught by omega t, and this cos omega can be written as 2 pi by t. There t is the time period into t, and this is the limit 0 to t by 2, so it will be 2 I naught by omega t, and now we put the upper limit there, so it will be cos 2 pi by t into upper limit is t by 2, and putting the lower limit this term will be 0, so this is this, and now this is equal to minus 2 I naught by omega t, and there this tt cancelled out, and the value of cos pi is minus 1, and the value of cos 0 is also 1, so this is equal to, and the total value would be there 4 I naught by omega t, this plus. Okay, now this is 4 I naught, and the value of omega is 2 pi by t, so into t. Okay, now this is equal to 4 I naught by 2 pi. Okay, and this is equal to 2 I naught by pi. Thus we get the average value of current, that is I average equal to 2 I naught by pi. Similarly, we can do it for average value of voltage, and it will be same like V average, that is equal to 2 V naught by pi. Here V naught is the peak value of voltage. Okay, and I naught is the peak value of current.